Everything's going on now, mate. You're alive.
Star of the show.
You are the star of the show.
Right guys, we're on the live feed at this moment in time. We're just waiting for a few people to join us on the live feed here for the winner chassis competition here at MK Sportscars. Thank you for everybody that participated in the competition, and hopefully we can pull out the lucky winner today and contact them today and arrange for their 2025 journey. So a few people are just signing on. I'm going to give you about another 20-30 seconds and then we'll work on what we've got down here. Is a little laptop which is on a Google generator. It's a random number generator, and it's allocated all the numbers randomly to the individual online purchases. So if you've done more than one ticket, your odds are very much stacked more in your favour. If you've just done the one, then you'll get the one number allocated. So
show everyone down here on the laptop. I don't know whether you can see your name on this Excel spreadsheet, but we've got all of our entries along here, your ticket numbers, and obviously a name as well. Nothing else for GDPR, but if I scroll down, you might see your name on here, which means you definitely have a chance of winning. And just so you can see, it is on a random number generator. We're just using the one on Google. Hopefully you'll be the lucky winner of this chassis. And what we like numbers wise in the live, we've got 23 people in here. We've got it pre-recorded to post up on our YouTube channel later on today. I think it might be time.
It might be time. So yes, we'll do it live, but yes, we will put this video up on our YouTube channel as well for those who weren't lucky enough to be here at this particular live time. So without further ado, Lewis, let's see who's the lucky 2025 MK Chassis Competition winner. Hit that random number generator.
Oh, what number is it going to be? 1469.
1469 is the entrant, and the lucky winner name is quite a long way down.
The winner is Stephen Hurd, who put 10 tickets on.
Stephen Hurd, who had 10 tickets. You are the lucky chassis winner, the RX-5 chassis. So the lucky draw goes to Stephen Hurd, the 2025 competition winner. Congratulations. We have your contact details here. We will be on the phone very, very shortly arranging your chassis to be collected. I can't wait to do it. Thank you again to everybody that entered the competition. Keep your eye out. We may be doing something else in 2025, and if you want a lucky winner and you still want to get in the queue and build one of these amazing sports cars, then come down and see us at the factories, one of the shows, or come here or hook up the phone or email and we can talk you through the process. That's it, us here all at MK Sportscars. Thank you for again everybody that entered, and well done to Stephen Hurd, the lucky winner.
Hello?
Hello, is that Stephen?
Yep.
Hi Stephen, my name's Andy. I'm calling from MK Sportscars. How are you, sir?
Could you ever call back in about an hour, please? Thank you. Bye-bye.
1 hour later.
So we're going to try Stephen again. He's just given us a green light to give him a call.
Hello?
Hi Stephen, Andy calling from MK.
Hi.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Oh, living the dream, you know yourself. So,
Oh, good, thanks.
I've got an email here saying that you tried to win yourself a nice Christmas present.
Yeah, it's a chassis.
Yes, yeah. Well, we drew today and you are our lucky winner.
No
Yes,
way,
you are,
that's
sir.
crazy.
That is an RX-5 chassis, all welded and powder coated, ready for you.
That's crazy, because my son's a huge MX-5 fan and he's just finished restoring his Mark 1.
That is great news. Brilliant. Okay, Stephen, what I'll do is I'll forward you over a little PDF. It's got all the info of the 6-pack on there. And then we'll wiggle on from there.
Crazy.
Brilliant.
Thank you very much.
No problem at all. Congratulations again. I look forward to having a chat with you soon.
Yes, super. Thanks very much.
All the best, Stephen. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So we've just given Stephen a call, and Stephen has just explained that his son has just finished rebuilding his Mark 1 MX-5. So it's about time that they find themselves a Mark 2 and start pulling it apart. Congratulations again, Stephen. We look forward to chatting to you soon. That's awesome. That's the best thing I've done in a long time.